Well, I've ordered something that, one, we can use to vacuum under the fridge, appliances, as well as for my Tesla to clean the radiator out. And it's one of the flexible dryer lint vacuum attachments. And this is a tight filled box, dude. This is unbelievable. Let's look at this. Holy smoke. This thing is packed. How did they get it in here? I'm serious. I know once I get this out, I'll never be able to get it back in this box. Oh my goodness. All of that fit into this. That's crazy. Alrighty. It's just got a little piece here. Alright. So we have instructions. How to use, okay, for deeper cleaning. So this is the flexible bit that goes over your dryer attachment. Okay, and it's alrighty. And then it goes to here, and if you look, it's nice and thin. So it's kind of what I was looking for. So this will fit over any size attachments, whether you take off your whatever you use for your vacuum or your indoor outdoor vac or whatever, your shop vac. This will fit over any size attachment. Pretty cool. I will say, I don't know if I'm more impressed with how all of this and this fit into this. That's some impressive engineering to make that happen. They must have, I can't even imagine, but it is pretty funny that this big thing fit into here. All right, I'm gonna clean, or try to clean this, and we're gonna do two different dryers. This one has the dryer vent that's down there, and ours, we have one up here, so but you can see how thin this is, and I just put the little stretchy rubber thing right there. Let's do this right here. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, are we ready? So, oh, look at this.
Oh wow!
No, look in the vacuum cleaner. That was totally cleaned out. So it gets this out of here. Now this was recently cleaned, but that's just within a couple of weeks. How much more you get in here.
So that's just from the dryer?
Yeah, that's just...
Just from right there from the dryer vent?
Yeah, that's what the vent doesn't catch. This thing doesn't catch is this.
Okay.
So...
Not sponsored.
No, not sponsored. But kind of cool. So, like, if you haven't cleaned this in a long time, this could fill up depending on how much stuff you have in there.
And prevent a fire.
Yes. Stop.
Not a fireman, but
yeah.
That's what it looks like. And then put it on. Let's see how it looks.
I'm saying to put it on is simple because it does just stretch out. So I can just kind of go underneath, over, and it gets a nice seal. So not bad. You can also do it from the vent outside. If you want to clean your vent outside, you'd get, what, about 3 foot of length in it. And it'll be for the Tesla radiator cleaning. You don't have a whole lot of access, but that'll get bugs and leaves and stuff out of it as well. As far as to clean out the Tesla radiator, this isn't mine. My car only has 2,000 miles on it, but this is what you do. You take the tub out, the frunk, and then you have access to the radiator, and you can pop it open, and that's about what access you get, and you can see what the dirt and debris that gets in there. And that little vacuum would work great in getting all that leaves and stuff that is just stuck on there. That's what that device will help get out. So it's been a week, and we're gonna check this out just to see how much lint comes in. I mean, this does a lot of loads every week with all the grandkids. And one, you can see lint on that, and if you look right here, you can see lint right there on the sides and underneath. And I'm gonna try to get that up real quick with this right here. Oh, look. Right there. And I mean, I did it last week, and that's how much is done this week. Well, of course, I'll clean that. But I'm just saying, if you do this like every other week, this only catches so much lint, and the rest gets stuck underneath. Does this sound good? Mm-hmm. All right. So, in case you're wondering, this thing is really easy to take off. Look, I just rolled it up. It expands to pretty much any type of container. So, we'll take this off. And let's look. That's a pretty good amount of lint, guys. So that's me cleaning the screen, and then also doing a second dip down there in between where the stuff just gets stuck. I mean, it just happens. I mean, when you look in here and look down there, you can see there's places where it's easy, or see where I got, there was a lot right down there that I was able to get up. So it's just a nice tool to be able to use to clean your dryer, and also clean hard to get places. I mean, like right there, if you need to clean back here. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a couple other cool functions that you can do with this, because it's thin, is you can go between the gaps in your refrigerator. And get any dust there. You can go right along the bottom here. And another cool thing is, when you vacuum, sometimes there's crumbs on the very edge. And this is just good to get into hard to get places. So here it is on Amazon. There's a bunch of different ones. Just check out and see which one you think would function best. But we got this one, $6.99. You can see the brand, and I'll put the link in the description for this if it's something you're interested in. It's just a good tool to be able to clean in hard to get places that you normally, places you can't get to with your normal attachments on the vacuum. And just remember, this is an easy attachment. It just rolls, look, it's very flexible, rolls off, rolls on. Any kind of attachment, whether you have the long skinny one, this is gonna fit over it. It's flexible. Won't stretch, so not a bad investment for the price, very cheap. You can use it to do a lot of things, like show me clean out your dryer vent, under your dryer, behind your fridge, and the hard to get places that sometimes your vacuum, when you're vacuuming, won't get. This will catch it. You know, the windowsills, behind curtains. You could use this just to catch the windowsills. Good investment, multi-purpose tool. Plan on using it on the Tesla if and when it comes time for the maintenance time for the radiator is really the sole purpose, but the multi-purpose tool for all around the house. Thanks for watching. Any questions, put it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a blessed day.